Good morning. So here we go, starting a new unit, HTML. For this to work, we must be working out of a folder. So you're all going to go to Portal, Class Share, Irvin Class, and you're going to select the HTML demo folder, right click, copy it, and go put it in your student folder like I have here. So right click, paste in your student folder. All right. HTML, hypertext markup language, the language of the internet. So let's talk about what we're going to call these. Open caret, close caret. So the first line of our code for our first demo page is going to be open caret, HTML, close caret. And here is line 2, open caret body, space, text equals, quote pink, quote, space, BG color equals, quote red, quote, space, background, don't forget the G, equals, quote, waves 2 dot gif, quote, close caret. When you get that much in, file, save as, HTML underscore demo underscore your last name. Then at the end, you're going to put dot HTML. By the way, I forgot to mention that we have to do this all in Notepad. So you have to go down here to search Notepad, and that's where all your code goes. My bad. Remember, down here, search Notepad, and that's where we're going to put all our code. So here's our first 2 lines of code. When we have those, we go to our folder where we kept it. Okay, so here's my HTML demo.irv. Right click, open with Google Chrome. And here's what yours will look like when we're all done. Back to our code. First thing we're gonna see on our page is this right here. So you're gonna go in and type open caret H1 close caret, then your name, then open caret backslash H1 close caret. The backslash tells the tag. These are called attribute tags, by the way. That's an open tag. That's a close tag. So we're telling it use H1, which is a header 1, type this in, and then close that. So you can see we want this 5 other times. So what we're going to do, once we enter this line, we're going to copy it, right click, copy it, put our cursor right there, and say enter, control V, enter, control V, enter, control V. Do that 5 times total. Excuse me, so that you have 6. I'm just going to delete them now because I already have my 6 in. You'll see them here shortly. So you will end up with 6 of those. And then yours are all going to say H1. All you do is change the numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's open side, close side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is what it'll look like when it's done. You're going to see open caret exclamation point a lot in this assignment. That means it's a note. When people write code, they often leave themselves notes in the code so they can remember exactly what they did and where they did it. So H1 is a header tag. H1 is the biggest. H6 is the smallest. You will type that in, but you will not see it because it's a note. So yes, you're typing that in. No, you will not see it. There's your next section of code. Adobe Photoshop is really cool right here in the middle. And here's the code to do it. I want something centered, I go open caret center. Font, that's the print. The size is +7. That's as big as it can go. Color is blue. Then I close my caret. So there's the code that you need to enter for that section. Okay, hopefully you can pause the video at that point. We're moving on. Next, we're going to put in this thing. It's called an HR. Size equals 25. That's 25 pixels. The width is 100% of the page. Obviously, the color is purple. And you're going to enter your note. Open caret, exclamation point. HR is horizontal rule. Has many attributes. You must remember them all. Size, width, and color. Those are attributes. Tag comes pre-formatted, so you get a double space above and below. There's your next set of code. And I think we'll call that the end of part 1. We'll stop right there. Desktop publishing will be end of part 1.